Our top focus story is the Delhi High Court saying it never sought preferential treatment at a time when people were dying on the streets of Delhi. Delhi High Court said it's unthinkable judges would seek preferential treatment. Of course, the Delhi government top sources now telling India Today that neither Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal nor his deputy Manish Sisodia were in the loop on such a decision, which was taken by the sub-divisional magistrate of Chanakyapuri. The sub-divisional magistrate of Chanakyapuri, Geeta Grover, had on April 25th said that a request was received from the Delhi High Court. The question is, was the SDM order misleading? The Delhi High Court asked the Delhi government, was this done to appease us? Because it's unthinkable that we as an institution would take preference when people are dying on Delhi roads. The two images that you see on your screens is the five-star hotel in Delhi, the Ashok Hotel, where 100 rooms were sought at the Ashok Hotel for Delhi High Court judges and their families and for officials. That's the Ashok Hotel. And one of the top hospitals of Delhi was asked to arrange oxygen and all the paraphernalia that would be required. On the other hand, look at the situation of the common man, Aam Aadmi, in the national capital, that you managed to reach the steps of the hospital, but people lose their lives at the steps of the hospital because there is no oxygen, because there is no hospital bed. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Nalini Sharma, bringing us this big story and the latest developments. Nalini, was it the sub-divisional magistrate who took this decision for 100 rooms at Ashok Hotel? What did the Delhi High Court say today, Justice Sanghi and Justice Rekha Pali?
Well, Gaurav, a very important clarification has come in from the Delhi High Court, where they have said that there was never a request that was made specifically for rooms to be booked at the Ashoka Hotel for the Delhi High Court judges as well as the staff. However, Justice Vipin Sanghi, while addressing the court, has clarified that there was a request that was made asking for any facility to be given, because there was staff of the High Court that was coming on a daily basis to the High Court for the virtual hearings to go on that had tested positive and they required to be in isolation. So there was a request that was made for a facility, but not specifically for 100 rooms to be booked at the Ashoka Hotel. So the order with regard to the Ashoka Hotel had come from the sub-divisional magistrate, as you correctly pointed out, which was then implemented and put into force by the Delhi government. However, what the Delhi High Court has taken objection to is the wording that was used in the order that was passed by the Delhi government, where they've hinted at the fact that this request at the Ashoka Hotel was done because a request had come in from the Delhi High Court, which they've clarified has not been done. So suo motu cognizance with regard to that has been taken by the Delhi High Court. They've put out a clarification that there was no such request made, pulling up the Aam Aadmi Party government and questioning them, when there is no oxygen available, how can they be providing 100 rooms in a super luxury hotel?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.